Listen up, you want the perfect chicken parmesan? Well, it all starts with the right ingredients. You need the right ingredients. Freshness and quality are key. First, grab some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. These are the foundation of your dish. We're talking about juicy, tender chicken that will make every bite delightful. Next, we need the coating flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs. This trio gives the chicken its perfect crispy texture. Don't forget the Parmesan cheese. This is essential. This is what adds that sharp, salty kick that makes chicken parmesan so special. Finally, we need marinara sauce and mozzarella cheese. These two ingredients bring everything together. These bring the rich, authentic Italian flavors to your kitchen, making your dish truly unforgettable. Get all your ingredients ready before you start cooking. Preparation is key to a smooth cooking process. Remember, fresh is always best. Fresh ingredients elevate the taste of your dish. Look for bright red tomatoes for your sauce. They add a vibrant, tangy flavor. Use good quality mozzarella that melts beautifully. This ensures a creamy, gooey topping. And don't be afraid to grate your own Parmesan. Freshly grated cheese has a superior taste. The flavor is worth the extra effort. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Now let's talk chicken. We want our chicken breasts to cook evenly. To do this, we need to pound them to a uniform thickness. Place the chicken between 2 sheets of plastic wrap. Use a meat mallet to gently pound the chicken. Aim for about ½ inch thickness. Don't go too thin, or you'll dry out the chicken. This step is crucial for even cooking. Nobody wants a chicken parmesan with some parts overcooked and some parts raw. Pounding the chicken also helps tenderize it, making it even more delicious. Next, we move on to the breading process, which is a crucial step in achieving that perfect crunch. This is what gives our chicken parmesan that satisfying crunch that everyone loves. First, season the chicken breasts generously with salt, pepper, and any other herbs you like to enhance the flavor. I like to add a pinch of oregano and basil for an extra layer of taste. Now, set up your breading station. This will make the process smoother and more organized. 3 shallow dishes work best for this method. In the first dish, add a generous amount of flour. This will help the egg mixture stick to the chicken. In the second dish, whisk together a couple of eggs with a splash of water until well combined. In the third dish, combine breadcrumbs with grated Parmesan cheese. This mixture will give the chicken its final, crispy coating. Dip each chicken breast first in the flour, making sure it's fully coated. Then, dip it into the egg mixture, allowing any excess to drip off. Finally, coat the chicken breast in the breadcrumb mixture, pressing down to ensure it sticks. Make sure to coat the chicken completely and evenly with the breadcrumbs. Press the breadcrumbs firmly onto the chicken so they adhere well and create a uniform crust. Place the breaded chicken breasts on a plate and let them rest for about 10 minutes. This resting period is crucial. This helps the breading to adhere better and ensures a crispier result when you cook them. Section 4. Golden brown delight, frying the chicken. This is where the magic happens, transforming raw chicken into a crispy, golden brown delight. Now it's time to fry. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect texture and flavor. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Make sure the skillet is evenly heated to avoid any hot spots. Add enough olive oil to coat the bottom of the pan. The oil should shimmer when it's ready. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the chicken breasts in the pan. Don't overcrowd the pan as this will lower the oil temperature. Cook the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Use tongs to flip the chicken gently. The key here is to get that beautiful golden brown crust. This crust locks in the juices, keeping the chicken moist. This not only looks appetizing but also adds a wonderful crispy texture to the dish. The contrast between the crispy exterior and juicy interior is what makes fried chicken so irresistible. Make sure the oil is hot enough before adding the chicken, otherwise the breading will absorb too much oil and become soggy. A thermometer can help ensure the oil is at the right temperature, ideally around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Section 5. Assembling the masterpiece. Baking to perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now spread a thin layer of marinara sauce in a baking dish. Place the fried chicken breasts on top of the sauce. Top each chicken breast with a generous amount of mozzarella cheese. You can also add a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for extra flavor. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the chicken is heated through. You can also broil the chicken Parmesan for the last few minutes to get a nice brown crust on top. Section 6. Chef's Tips Secrets for Ultimate Chicken Parmesan. Here are a few tips to make your chicken parmesan even better. First, don't skip the step of pounding the chicken. This ensures even cooking and a tender texture. Second, use fresh ingredients whenever possible. The flavor difference is noticeable. Third, don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs and spices in your breading. Fourth, let the breaded chicken rest for a few minutes before frying. This helps the breading to adhere better. Finally, don't overcook the chicken. It should be cooked through but still juicy. There you have it, the perfect chicken parmesan.